In its simplest form, the distributive property looks like this. A onto B plus C. Now here what you're going to do is multiply the first term by both terms inside of the bracket, so they distribute onto both terms. So A times B and A times C. So that's going to be equal to A times B plus A times C, of course. So this is the distributive property in its simplest form. Let's look at some other examples. Here we have 2 multiplied into 2 plus 1, which would give us, by distributing, that would give us 4 plus 2 equals 6. Some other examples here. If we had 3 multiplied into x and onto 2y, it's going to equal 3x plus 6y. Another example here. Here we're going to distribute, of course, as we have been, and in this second set as well too. So here we have 8x from the first set minus 56 plus 2x minus x squared. Now we can simplify this a little bit here. Our like terms of 8x and 2x to give us 10x minus 56 minus x squared. Further example, if you have 2 binomials, of course, distributive property. Now since we have a binomial in front, it's going to distribute onto the first and the second term, and the second component here is going to distribute onto the first and second as well. So that's the first term is going to give us x squared, then plus 3x plus 3x again, and plus 9. Now we can simplify this, of course, to 6x plus 9. Now what we did here actually was used the FOIL rule. Now I always like to think of it as just redistributing the first and the second term into the entirety, but they've come up with this acronym. Now FOIL stands for first term in each of the binomial, and then the outside term in each of the binomials, so the x and the 3. The inside term of each binomial, so the 3 and the x, and then the last term in each binomial, so 3 and the 3. So FOIL is